Volvo is going to use Epic's Unreal Engine to create photorealistic graphics in its electric cars. Oh, we talked about this movement. I think it was Epic themselves, right? We watched a video one time, them explaining the advantages of working together on in-car systems. Great. Volvo take them up on it. New partnership to enable better, less distracting HMI. What does HMI stand for? Head-mounted infotainment? I don't know. I'm just talking. Maybe. Volvo will be the latest automaker to tap into the graphical prowess of Epic Games' Unreal Engine. Shout out Beef BMX. Appreciate the kind words. The crux of the Volvo Epic partnership will be the human-machine interface. Oh, there's HMI for you. I'm glad they did that because it could have just lived forever the way I said it. Which in the context of vehicle ownership is another way to describe the way the car owners interact with their vehicle software. Volvo says that Epic will help build a platform on which the automaker's engineers can design software that will help improve the HMI while also maintaining levels of safety that Volvo has staked much of its reputation on. This technology gives us the capability to create responsive, really high-quality visuals that we can play with and layer in information, create realistic representations when needed, all of those kinds of things, said Thomas Stovacek, the head of user experience of Volvo Cars. So it's really about creating the next generation of HMI for our customers. Look how seamless that display is. No bezel, unreal.
It almost looks like paper.
Nav.
Like there's no gloss.
It's cool, man. I'll take it. It's very cool.
Yeah.
I'll definitely take it. And here's the thing. I would love to see these units move towards a performance and a status that's more commensurate with what we experience on our TVs and on our smartphones. Right? We have very high expectations in those departments when it comes to gaming, comes to our computers, comes to our game consoles, comes to our smartphones. But yet in the car, maybe less responsive, maybe less rich when it comes to multimedia. Maybe some fonts are a little off. Maybe, I don't know if you've ever seen this stuff, Will, but it's...
Oh, I do. Yeah, I do.
It's so...
They haven't gotten it right yet. The UX and the UI of infotainment.
Infotainment. Yeah. HMI.
There you go.
Well, anyway, maybe Volvo and Epic will figure it out with Unreal. I wonder if they'll have a partnership in the Apple car.
Maybe.
That was a joke.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks, Will.